Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for a modern chandelier that will really bring the wow factor? Check out this one here from Zevluck. I absolutely love this light. It is so beautiful and I could not be happier with it. So this is a 12 bulb chandelier in a Spuntik style, and it's got that classic modern design and it really is eye-catching. So I chose the gold color, but you can get this in a gold, black, or a gold and black combination. It is customizable as far as the height goes. It comes with several different rods, so you can make it as tall or as low as you want it to be. We hung ours pretty close to the ceiling because we have a smaller space and we didn't want it to overwhelm it, but I think it looks absolutely perfect. So I love that this is such a stunningly beautiful light that it really catches your eye when you come in and just adds a touch of that modern style. This light was fairly easy to install. My husband, who has electrical experience, had it up in about maybe 30 minutes or so, and I think it really brought this dining room together. I think this would fit into a variety of different decor styles and really be a focal point. So if you're looking to add something special to your space, check out this light. I'd highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.